Benefit of Ferula Asafoetida. Ferula Asafoetida, also known as asafoetida or hing, based on scientific research. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that the compounds in Ferula Asafoetida, such as ferulic acid and umbellipronine, anti-inflammatory effects that could potentially help alleviate pain and swelling. Digestive aid. Ferula Asafoetida has been traditionally used as a digestive aid and has shown to have gastroprotective effects. It may also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and help alleviate bloating and gas. Anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-inflammatory refers to the ability of a substance to reduce inflammation in the body by decreasing the production of inflammatory substances, thus reducing pain, swelling, and redness. Reduces inflammation in the body. Reduces pain and discomfort caused by inflammation, may help prevent chronic diseases associated with inflammation, such as heart disease and arthritis. Analgesic properties refers to the ability of a substance to relieve pain by blocking or reducing pain signals in the body, without affecting consciousness. Antimicrobial properties. Kills or inhibits the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, can be used to treat infections and prevent the spread of diseases. Anti-spasmodic properties refers to the ability of a substance to relieve or prevent muscle spasms or cramps in the body. Relaxes muscles and reduces spasms in the body, can be used to treat conditions like muscle cramps and digestive issues, may work by blocking nerve impulses that trigger muscle contractions. Antioxidant properties, helps protect against damage from free radicals in the body, may help prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Anti-cancer properties refers to the ability of a substance to prevent the growth or spread of cancer cells in the body, by inhibiting their division or inducing their death. Antispasmodic properties refers to the ability of a substance to relieve or prevent muscle spasms or cramps in the body. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can contribute to a variety of health problems. Anti-inflammatory properties refer to substances that can reduce or prevent inflammation in the body. Anti-flatulent properties refers to the ability of a substance to reduce flatulence or gas in the digestive system, by preventing the formation or aiding in the expulsion of gas. Reduces gas and bloating in the digestive system, may help prevent digestive discomfort and indigestion. Anti-seizure properties refers to the ability of a substance to prevent or reduce seizures in the brain, by stabilizing the electrical activity of neurons. Anti-seizure properties reduces seizure activity in the brain, can be used to treat epilepsy and other seizure disorders, may work by regulating neurotransmitters in the brain. Antiviral properties kills or inhibits the growth of viruses in the body, can be used to treat viral infections such as colds and flu. Digestive stimulant properties. Digestive stimulant refers to a substance that increases the digestive process in the body by promoting stomach acid production, intestinal contractions, and bowel movements. Increases the activity of digestion in the body, can be used to treat digestive issues such as constipation and indigestion. May work by stimulating the muscles of the digestive system. Diuretic properties. Diuretic is a substance that increases the production of urine by the kidneys, leading to the removal of excess fluids and electrolytes from the body. Eases constipation. Eases constipation refers to a substance that softens stool, increases bowel movements, and eases bowel movement-related pain. Eases menstrual pain. Relieves pain and discomfort caused by menstrual cramps. May work by relaxing uterine muscles and reducing inflammation. Enhances immune system. Enhances immune system refers to a substance that promotes the immune system's functions like fighting off infections and invading pathogens. Helps reduce blood sugar levels. Lowers blood sugar levels in the body, can be used to treat conditions like diabetes. May work by improving insulin sensitivity or reducing sugar absorption in the intestines. Helps regulate cholesterol levels. Lowers LDL bad cholesterol levels and raises HDL good cholesterol levels. Can be used to prevent heart disease and stroke. May work by reducing cholesterol absorption in the intestines. Helps relieve asthma symptoms. Relieves symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath associated with asthma. May work by reducing inflammation and relaxing airways in the lungs. Helps relieve cough and cold symptoms. Relieves symptoms like coughing, sore throat, and congestion. May work by reducing inflammation and fighting off viruses and bacteria. Helps relieve headaches. Relieves pain and discomfort associated with headaches and migraines. May work by reducing inflammation and relaxing tension in muscles. Helps relieve joint pain. Relieves pain and discomfort associated with arthritis and other joint conditions. May work by reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Helps treat epilepsy. Reduces seizure activity in the brain, can be used to treat epilepsy and other seizure disorders. May work by regulating neurotransmitters in the brain. Improves digestion. Enhances the activity and function of the digestive system, can help prevent digestive issues like indigestion and constipation. Is a natural blood thinner. Helps prevent blood clots from forming, can be used to prevent stroke and heart attack in high-risk individuals. May work by inhibiting platelet aggregation. Promotes relaxation. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation in the body, can be used to treat conditions like anxiety and insomnia. May work by calming the nervous system. Reduces stress levels. Lessens feelings of tension or pressure in a person. The goal of reducing stress levels is often to improve overall well-being and prevent negative effects of chronic stress on physical or mental health. Relieves anxiety. Lessens feelings of tension or pressure in a person. The goal of reducing stress levels is often to improve overall well-being and prevent negative effects of chronic stress on physical or mental health. Relieves indigestion. Indigestion is a vague term that encompasses a variety of digestive symptoms, including bloating, nausea, and discomfort. To relieve indigestion means to alleviate these symptoms and improve overall digestive function. Strengthens the nervous system. The nervous system controls many bodily functions, including movement, sensation, and coordination. To strengthen the nervous system means to improve the functioning of this system and protect against damage or degeneration. As with any supplement or herb, it is important to talk to a healthcare provider before taking it, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.